name's Raja.
My name's Advika.
Our channel name is
Exactly.
Today we're going to be making our own farm. And by the way, this is not an animal, but it's a pond where the ducks go in. And over here, the animal, the fences, and the trees.
Yeah, these fences are from blocking the animals.
So they cannot get out.
Yeah, get out and get lost.
Yeah, and you can see that when we open it, it doesn't break it. And you can make it like that.
Yeah.
So we're going to be building the farm right now, so let's get started. Over here, the fences, they go like over here.
Oh, this one. This one. Oh,
It'll be the fence over here.
Some more.
Okay, over here, the roosters, these go right over here. Like that. These go this.
No potential.
There we go. And this tree.
Oh no, a little bit bigger. I'm making the sheep family. Mommy. Seed and goats.
So you can see that the farm is almost ready.
Yeah. Now they are looking at other people's family.
They're laying down over here.
She is resting down. One hole, two, three.
And over here is the other type of donkeys.
Yeah.
And over here, this is the big horses.
Yeah.
And they will be going over here outside because there's no more room there. So they're going to be going outside and looking at them. But this might not go because it has these type of legs. So I'm going to be just like making it down and looking it downwards. Hey, Advika, do you know what are farm animals?
Yeah, they are animals who live in farms, and they are sheep, and horses who are like this, and roosters, and hen, and baby ones. We don't know exactly this one, but there are many more. Cow, duck and ducklets, and pigs, and more horses.
And many more too.
Yeah.
So the cow gives us milk.
Yeah.
The sheep gives us wool.
Yeah.
And the goat also gives us milk.
Yeah.
So I was saying that the cows give us milk.
And this is donkey. And do you know a cool fact about that? Donkeys don't have brains.
Yeah, they don't even have one bit brain.
Yeah.
And the cow says moo.
Yeah.
The ducks say quack.
Yeah.
And these roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning.
Yeah, but the mommy doesn't say cock-a-doodle-doo. She says quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, and the horses say, neigh, neigh. This is a brown horse.
Yeah.
And do you know that horses can be different colors? Like this one is brown, this is oranges, and there can be many more colors.
Yeah, with blacks.
Yeah, it can be any color here too.
You know trees who have these coconut trees.
And over here, the pigs, they say oink oink, and we made an own area for the pig because they roll in the mud and they don't want every animal to get mud. And over here is this goat.
Yeah.
And And over here is this goat.
Yeah.
And also, donkeys can be different colors too. That's a gray donkey, and this is a different type of donkey.
Yeah. This one goes with this one, and this has no families.
Yeah. But for real, they have families.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to tell you that the leaves over here are not planted, so it's not like that yet.
Yeah, and this goat or sheep is trying to get it out this tree.
Yeah, so it can go to its friends.
Yeah.
And if you like my channel, please subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Bye!